In this video, I will dictate the first part of the base code page, and in the next couple I'll try and break down each of the changes made to it over the course of that page. As always, I would encourage you to consult vulkan-tutorial.com for the long version with all the Y4s and error fixes. These short videos are more for smaller segments that will hopefully ease in the learning process. First, open your project with make work on. Now we're going to get rid of the text in main.cxx and replace it with the following. Number include, angle brackets, vulkan/vulkan.h, include iostream, include std except, so standard exceptions, include cstdlib, C standard library. Next, class hello triangle application. Curly braces, or no wait, yeah, curly braces, with a semicolon at the end. Space those out however you like. Declare in the class declaration a public sector and a private sector. Public sector contains void run and void run contains calls to init vulkan, which we will declare in the private sector, main loop cleanup. So all three of those are functions, function calls that we will define in the private sector. So in the private sector, go void init vulkan, parentheses and curly braces, void main loop, parentheses, curly braces. Since these are empty functions, I'm not bothering with spacing. Void cleanup, parentheses, curly braces. Then, outside of hello triangle application, underneath, go int main. And I like to put return 0 as soon as I can, but this does not end with return 0. It ends with return, and then in all caps, exit underscore success. So int main, the first thing it does is invoke hello triangle application. Or no, it doesn't invoke it. It declares a hello triangle application class of the name app. And then it does a try app.run. Outside of the try declaration, it catches a const std : exception ampersand named e. So catches an exception, or the address of an exception, e. And if it does catch it, std standard c error e.what. So it sends what the error is to the standard error output and follows that up with a standard end line, semicolon, then return exit failure, semicolon. So we have an exit failure, we have an exit success, we have a try-catch exception around running the app. The app is an instance of the hello triangle application. So if I typed that all in correctly, we should be able to save, make test, nothing happens. And most of this should seem pretty self-explanatory if you've taken some basic C++ classes. If you're a little rusty like me, you might have to review the try-catch exception stuff at the bottom there. You should be able to run make test and nothing happens, just the way we did there. Just returning you to the command prompt. If you like, you can add the hello world line just before return exit success. So std : cout. Hello world exclamation point. Like that. Save, quit, make test. Yeah. Just to make sure that the program is actually running and not crashing out or something. But yeah, that is all for this video. And I hope things go at least this smoothly in the next one.